This is code.org, and what do we think this program does? All right, so we have a council class and main for int outer. So this is the control variable. We start at equal to 1. Outer must be less than or equal to 3. So this loop will keep going until outer is greater than 3. So once outer is 4. Outer plus plus means add 1 to outer each time. So right away, I know outer's equal to 1. Countdown will now say 1. We'll print out. Ooh, we have an inner for loop. That's complicated. Inner for loop. Int 10. Inner is greater than 0. Inner minus minus. Interesting. So, and now we're printing that out. So what should occur is we're going to say countdown 1, and then if we're decrementing, by the way, minus minus means inner is equal to the old value of inner minus 1, we should first print 10. We'll loop back around. Old value of inner was 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 is still greater than 0, so we print 9. So I think we'll say countdown 1, prints 1 through 10, then prints, is this in the loop? I love CSS. We hit the bottom. Now, outer used to be equal to 1. Outer equals 1 plus, or outer equals what it used to equal to, 1 plus 1. So outer is now equal to 2. 2 is still less than 3, so we print 2. We loop through 10 again. I love, oh, so this is a really short version of this, and students should use sentences and their own words, but it's going to print 1 through 3, and in the middle it will print 10 to 1, and I love CSS. Quapow! Cool. Onward.